Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatic. So let's get started video. The 1992 10 pence coin from the United Kingdom is a common circulation coin that was issued as part of the British decimal coinage system. Denomination 10 pence, 10p, year of issue 1992, country United Kingdom, legal tender. The coin is still legal tender in the UK but only has a face value of 10p. Weight 6.50 grams. Diameter 24.5 mm, thickness 1.85 mm metal. Composition 75% copper, 25% nickel, copper-nickel alloy. Edge milled, reeded edge with vertical grooves. Shape round. Portrait Queen Elizabeth II. Facing right, designer Raphael Maklouf. Portrait used from 1985 to 1997. Inscription Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD, which stands for Elizabeth. 2 Dei Gratia Regina Fide. Defensa, meaning Elizabeth II. By the grace of God, Queen. Defender of the Faith, date 1992. Reverse back design, a crowned lion. Part of the heraldic design representing England, designer Christopher. Ironside inscription, text 10 pence. Pre-1992. Larger 10p coin prior to 1992. The 10 pence coin was significantly larger, weighing 11.31 grams with a diameter of 28.5 mm. In 1992, the Royal Mint reduced the size of the coin to the current dimensions to make it more convenient and portable. The new size version of the 10p coin has remained in circulation since then, part of decimalization. The 10p coin was first introduced in 1968 as part of the UK's transition from the pre-decimal currency system to a decimal-based system, which was officially completed in 1971. Circulated condition. The coin typically holds its face value of 10p due to its high mintage. Uncirculated condition coins that were never used in circulation, uncirculated or mint condition, can be worth around £1 to £2. Proof or special sets coins from proof sets, which are struck with a higher quality and have a mirror-like finish, can be valued between £5 to £10 depending on demand. Error coins. Rare minting errors, such as off-center strikes or misprints, can increase the value significantly, though these are quite rare. The 1992 10 pence coin is not considered rare due to its large mintage, but it may still be of interest to collectors, especially if found in uncirculated or proof condition. Additionally, due to its historical significance as part of the resized decimal coinage, some collectors may include it in thematic collections focused on UK decimalization. The reverse of the coin features a design by Matthew Bonacorsi, which depicts a segmented design of the royal arms. The obverse features the profile of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. While most 1992 10 pence coins are not particularly rare, certain conditions or variations may be of interest to collectors. The 10 pence coin is still in circulation, and it can be used for everyday transactions alongside other denominations. Please subscribe my channel